Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to allow pop-ups on Chrome. So today I'll be showing you how to allow pop-ups on Chrome. Just click on the three dots on top of your profile. Then after that, go to settings. And once you're in the settings, click on privacy and security. Then click on site settings. Then after that, go down here. Then you will see a pop-up and redirects. Then click that. After clicking that, you will be able to see right here, you want it automatically follow the settings when you visit them. So when you click this one, it will automatically pop up when you visited them. Or if you want to customize it, you can customize it down here below to choose which one of the website or site that you want it to pop. For example, I'm gonna do YouTube. Type in YouTube and add YouTube. So there you go. Whenever there's a notification on my YouTube, it will pop right here. So there you go. That's how you allow your pop-ups in Chrome. Hope you guys like the video and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.